The camera pans across the towering steel structure of the bridge, where the wind whistles through the cold girders like a warning. Below, the dark water churns in a restless dance, waiting. 5 cars sit lined up at the very edge, their engines idling. The narrator stands at the precipice, gesturing toward the drop. Let us see who can withstand the plunge. The atmosphere is thick with tension as the vehicles prepare. The challenge is simple. Survive the fall. Tiny Tim, the compact car, vibrates in place, headlights flickering. I think I am too small for this, he mutters. He creeps to the edge, the front wheels spinning in the air. He falls in slow motion, his small frame twisting helplessly. He hits the surface with a sharp, agonizing crack. Water sprays high into the air, obscuring the view. Underwater, Tiny Tim drifts downward, his frame buckling. His engine goes silent as he sinks into the dark depths. Rocky the SUV revs his engine, the deep rumble echoing. He launches into the air, landing with a thunderous boom. The SUV bobs for a moment, his structure holding firm. But then, the water begins to seep into the cabin. Rocky tilts, his rear end dipping lower until he disappears. Next, Speedy the sports car drifts into position. I do not fall. I fly, he boasts. The impact is violent, a spray of white foam erupting. He sinks instantly, his sleek body unable to handle the force. Titan, the heavy-duty pickup, rolls forward with a groan. This is just another job, he says. He rolls off the edge, his massive weight carrying him down. He hits the water with a heavy, rhythmic thud. Miraculously, his frame remains perfectly intact. He floats for a long, tense minute. The crowd watches in silence as the truck battles the current, but the sheer mass of the steel eventually wins. Titan is gone, joining the others in the silent graveyard. Only one remains to face the bridge's judgment. Volt, the electric car, hums with a high-pitched frequency. He glides to the edge with eerie silence. He enters the water with a surprisingly smooth splash. Then, the cold reality of the water short-circuits his logic. Warning, water detected. He chirps in a digital stutter before his lights go dark forever. The calculation was wrong, and the water remains undefeated. The narrator walks back to the center of the bridge. None survived the fall, but the lessons remain. Cars are machines, not boats, and gravity is the ultimate judge. The echoes of the engines still linger in the cold air. Gravity never sleeps, and the water never forgets.